I loved this book. When Alex stood in front of Rebecca's front door...
Oh, and he didn't have the courage to knock?
Oh, heartbreaking.
I was sobbing. Yosemite, what did you think of Alex?
Excuse me for just a moment.
So really loved it.
You want to know what I think of Alex? Well, I think he's pathetic. I mean, that's your protagonist? There's no arc to that character. What obstacle did he overcome? What was his emotional journey? In fact, the only thing that's more pathetic than Alex is this book